Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the world of branding. Ever wondered why some brands are just unforgettable? It's all about consistent and effective branding. Imagine a bustling marketplace, stalls everywhere. How do you choose where to go? You'd naturally gravitate towards stalls that look familiar and trustworthy, right? That's the power of branding. Branding isn't just a logo. It's your company's voice, its values, its story. It encompasses everything from your logo to your business cards, color schemes, and even the tone of your messages. But creating a consistent brand, it's tough and time-consuming. That's where Zoviz steps in. With Zoviz, you input your brand's name, select some preferences, and voila! You get a logo, business card designs, a brand book, and more, all tailored for you, all with just one click. So whether you're just starting out or thinking of rebranding, remember, good branding sets you apart. And with Zoviz, that process becomes a breeze. Stay consistent, stay memorable. Dive into the world of branding with Zoviz. Till next time.